Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Overview. How to make Irish soda bread. Whisk buttermilk and 1 egg together. Whisk the flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt together in another bowl. Cut cold butter into the flour mixture. Bring the dough together with your hands. Bake until golden brown. The 11th of March 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
You might have added too much baking soda or baking powder or used self-rising flour. If your bread's texture is dry, you might have added too much baking soda, too little liquid, or not baked it at high enough temperature. If your loaf has big holes, lumps, or dark streaks. 8 March 2011.
Take our lead.
Ingredients: 250 grams wholemeal flour, 100 grams plain flour, plus extra for dusting, 50 grams pinhead oatmeal, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 large free-range egg, 1 by 300 milliliters tub buttermilk.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.